Ghosted by a roofing company. They paid to have their roofs replaced on their homes, but after handing over their money, they heard nothing back.
Somerville residents who were told their roofs were damaged from severe weather over the summer. They filed claims with their insurance companies, handed over their checks to the roofing company, and now it's been crickets ever since.
It's your home and your money. You deserve to know what's happening. At TrueForce, communication never stops. From permits to progress photos, our portal keeps you in control every step of the way.
At TrueForce Roofing, we've done more than just take notes on the industry's dark side. We've cultivated a system that rises above it, a system designed to restore trust, deliver full transparency, and set a new standard of professionalism in roofing. We call it the TrueForce Advantage. If staying informed every step of the way is important to you, call 352-NEW-ROOF or visit trueforceroofing.com.